Hello and good morning everyone. Look at this white snow in Ireland. All let me show you. This has been starting from I'd say 3 o'clock this morning and it's 9 o'clock now. You can see the roads. They're all white. Oh my god, my hands are freezing. Well, it's a storm and a rain as well. Let me show you the road from here. Look at that. It's unreal. There is a kind of a snow that it stays, this is a kind of snow that slapped on your face. And my hands. I can't be more here because my hands are freezing. Okay, catch you guys later. Now look at this. We are going to get the coffee from lunch, and now I'm going to show you the roads which has been destroyed by snow. Well, the snow is a bit clear now because the rain is coming along with the snow as well, that's why. disappointing. The coffee shop is closed. I was doubting it that it should be closed, but like I say, like, look, take a chance. Every shop is closed. Oh, look, this is Lange. Everything is closed. Now we stop in the top part of the Lange beach. There you can see like still people doing a surfing at that time. And my gimbal is going to be destroyed in the water, so I'll better go in the car. It's very cold. It's 1 degrees.